10 ideas to go beyond the form, beyond the class, beyond the shackles of history, beyond the bubbles of complacency. 10 ideas to defrag mind and body. Welcome, and a rather brief podcast today because just a couple of updates really, as I'm not sure what's happening with the podcasting platform that I'm using, and I wanted to put something out straight away as there has been a few changes. As some of you know, I began podcasting quite a few years ago using different hosting platforms that eventually have either been ditched or gone under for some reason or another, or bought up by someone else. The last being Anchor, a great little app that was bought up by Spotify. Well, what can you do? So I continued, if a little cautious, until, of course, today when Spotify announced that they are no longer going to be using the Anchor recording facilities and instead will use a new integration called Riverside. They'll be giving us access on a basic level only, premium to be paid for. No surprise there. There's always one of these waiting around the corner. So Spotify says to us all as podcasters, just use your account, open it up, and Riverside will suddenly create an account for you and you can begin podcasting with these fantastic new tools. Obviously, that's what I go to do, but it doesn't work and it doesn't allow me to use it and I can't upload anything. So I'm trying to do just a quick audio on my phone, something raw and momentary. Hopefully things will resolve themselves over the next few weeks, but man, this audio roller coaster ride is never easy. Anyway, I did mention there were two issues. So tomorrow, before you end, tomorrow, that's February the 9th, for all of you calendar freaks out there, I begin a weekend of free digital retreat on Tai Chi and balance. Yep, you got that right. It's going to be a Tai Chi weekend retreat and it's all online. You don't have to go anywhere. You can sit at home and participate. All you need to do is visit 21stcenturytaichi.com/balance-retreat and sign up. That's 21st Century Tai Chi. That's 21st centurytaichi.com/balance-retreat and sign up. Where we're going to be looking at balance in all of its aspects, it's all of its applications and all the different ways we can interpret it. So I hope to see you over the weekend, or if not, on that next elusive audio release. Okay, that's it. Life, eh? Anyway, until then, thanks for listening.